They build psychological safety without lowering standards. Open ang communication, pero hindi binababa yung standard. So, ang isang leader ay obsessed with clarity. Okay? Kabado ang leader kapag yung mga team members ay hindi nagtatanong. Kasi ibig sabihin nun, takot silang magsalita. So, importante yun na making sure that everyone's clear about what the goal is and what needs to be done. Consistent ang leader, hindi moody, you know? Parang pendulum, nasa mood, wala sa mood, no? Dapat meron tayong composure, especially in challenging situation. Mahirap yung, ewan ko kung na-encounter nyo to, huwag nyo munang kausapin si boss, may intang ulo. May problema eh. Huwag mo naman sabihin, lalong iinit ang ulo. As a result, lalong lumalaki yung problema, di ba? So consistency is the key.